Hello, we are doing partial products for multiplication. We're going to do 3 digits times 1 digit, 516 times 4. The first step is to take that 516 and put it in expanded form in these 3 boxes. So the 5 is really a 500. That 1 is a 10. And the 6 is a 6. This is how you write 516 in expanded form. So we're taking this big number and splitting it up into parts. And then we're going to multiply against what's on the other side, which is the 4. We are going to do 3 different multiplication problems. We are going to do 500 times 4, and we'll put that here. Then 10 times 4, and 6 times 4. If you get stuck, you can use the color codes to help you see what digits we're multiplying. Feel free to follow along with me right now, or if you want to try it on your own, pause the video, try it, and then unpause and see what you get. We're starting with 500 times 4, cover the zeros, and just do 5 times 4, which is 20. And then we stick those 2 other zeros back in, 2,000. So 5 times 4 is 20, but 500 times 4 is 2,000. 10 times 4 is 40. And 6 times 4 is 24. So what we just did there is we did 500 times 4, which is 2,000, 10 times 4, which is 40, and 6 times 4, which is 24. And the last step is just to add them all together. Starting on the right, 0 plus 0 plus 4, 0 plus 4 plus 2, 0 plus nothing, and 2 plus nothing. We got 2,064. So keep watching this playlist if you want to keep practicing more and more problems. And click on the description below if you want to get all 6 of these worksheets. Thank you for watching and have a great day.